Stan's Alpina Startimer Chronograph. Ask me how. What did I do? Okay, you know what? It wasn't like it was something malicious. The Alpina Startimer Chronograph. It's supposed to be with 100 meters water resistance and a screw down sign crown. So yes, we have the nice mountain sign crown. I showed you that in the intro there. When I turned the crown, I was screwing this one and it wasn't going to a lock position. So once I got to an area where I was feeling some resistance, I stopped, and then pop, the crown pops off. It caused a sick feeling in my stomach, especially because it's not my watch, it's Stan's. And Stan's been fantastic. He loaned it to me. So right away I sent a message and let him know that we're going to look after this thing. So that's why we have a pause in the regular scheduled programming. So what's happened is, looks like we're going on a road trip. Oh, I had to get the teeth cleaned first. Oh boy. If I could be put out unconscious while I'm getting that done, that would be perfect. So I went online, I went to the Alpina website. I found out through their customer service that they have a location here in Ontario. So we're in Markham, Ontario to take the watch back to the Alpina service outlet, and hopefully they can make the repairs without sending it back to Switzerland. Checked in, just waiting to see what the response is going to be. They're going to give me some sort of invoice or receipt, no problem, and then we'll see what kind of estimated time of arrival we can get for the completion of the service. But super friendly here. Well, that was painless. Looks like she's with capable hands. She's in the hands of Citizen, and we will see what's going to happen within the next 5 to 7 business days. I just got the call from Citizen. The Alpina Startimer is ready. Now, it did take a few weeks, but that's because they didn't have one of the parts for the crown in stock. So, I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes things take a little bit of time, but we'll see. Citizen's been on it, so rest assured, I'm sure it's been completed successfully. How much is this going to cost? Let's just say I got my fingers crossed. Moment of truth. The Citizen Startimer is back, and now we continue with the review, our regularly scheduled programming. The Alpina Startimer update. I can't believe I broke Stan's watch, but after just 4 weeks, I guess it would have been closer to 5.5, even with the wait for parts from Citizen, wow, they notified me when they were ready, and she's ready to be picked up. Are you ready for this? But wait till you hear how much this broken crown cost me to repair. A Swiss-made chronograph with all kinds of style and great looks. 104 grams, full package, strap and all. 44 millimeter case with that black coated stainless steel. 22 millimeter lug, 52.5 millimeter lug to lug, and a reasonable 12.8 millimeter thickness. Slightly domed sapphire crystal, screw down, Startimer airplane designed caseback, 100 meters of water resistance. A dial with all kinds of character. This is an older model, purchased a few years ago by Stan in Paris. Ah, oui, Paris. But the color contrasts are great with that sunburst green style dial with the cream colored markers, hands, and details. I know you're wondering, is there lume with this aviation style watch? What's the lume like? Here are some shots for you. It's not gonna blow your skirt up, but it does what it needs to, allowing for an easy read in low light conditions. With the Alpina signed at the 12 with Genevieve or Geneva below? With lume applied at the 369 and the triangle position 12 locations. Vintage style hands with a large chronograph seconds hand. We have 3 large sub registers for easy reading. 1/10 of a second chronograph at the 3 o'clock, small seconds at the 6, and we have a 30-minute chronograph monitor at the 9 o'clock position. A large date window built into the 6 o'clock position, white on black display. Let me know what you think about that one. The whole dial is built in this 44mm case with visibility being a priority. From the numbers to the hands to the markers, they all pop. A brown leather Alpina genuine leather strap finishes off this baby with great wrist support and a comfortable wear. It feels great and it has a smooth tapering going from the 22mm connection down to 19mm at the buckle. Now this one's coming in around, I guess, 500 to 600 euros, I was advised by Stan, and he bought it a few years ago. There are newer variations of the Startimer that have been released by Alpina, so you can check them out on the website. I'll put the website link down below and possibly even show you a couple shots of the new designs. This one here, she's a classic, especially with that green dial. Free! Did I tell you? Free! That's how much it costs for the beautiful repair.
What? Are you kidding me? Free? No charge.
And get this, Citizen, who basically owns Alpina, they looked after doing the 2 pressure tests, they replaced the seals, and repaired the broken crown. Free. No charge. I mean, I was willing to look after it, no problem, but this was just an added bonus. Citizen customer support, fantastic, you'll be in good hands. I can't guarantee it'll be free for you. I'm just saying, this was fantastic, great customer service. I'm TheCovertCrow. Thanks for coming to the channel. You can call me Ross. I appreciate all the support. We reached 2,000 subscribers. And yes, the giveaway has been won and we have notified the recipient. It's on its way. The watch trio is on its way. Now, stay tuned to the channel. There might be another giveaway just coming around the block. We will see. That's my time. I'm on Instagram as well at TheCovertCrow right there. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.